Where is it? First, you have to go to Nuwara from Colombo. It's a 5 hours journey. This place is 14 kilometers away from Nuwara. How much need for a taxi? For a taxi, you have to pay nearly 70 US dollars from Colombo to Nuwara and nearly 10 US dollars from Nuwara to Boburuella Waterfall. If you are going to use the public bus service, then for a $5 or something, you can go to this place from Colombo. Okay, here we go. There are some little shops here. We can drink something or eat something from them too. This is not the Boburuella. This is a small waterfall which we can see while traveling to see Boburuella. We have to go to this place while traveling there. This is a very nice little place. Here we arrive for our destination. It is the Boburuella. Wow, it looks so beautiful. This is having the longest width among other waterfalls in Sri Lanka. I have to say you something. We can do night camping here too. Today night I am going to do so. Now I am in Badula district. The other side of this hill belongs to Nuwara district. This water is coming from Boburuella lake, which is situated in Nuwara district. You can visit that place too. Okay, come and visit this place. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video. Thanks for watching.